Hey everybody, welcome to the DNS record and Whois Lookup Apify app that we built. All you need to do is specify a domain or multiple domains and you will very quickly, within seconds, get all of the DNS records in one simple output and the Whois data. You can export it to CSV, to Google Sheets, to Excel, to JSON, to HTML, to XML, and many other formats via Apify. All you need to do is go to apify.com and register the account to try it out for free. Let me show you exactly how you use it. Go to apify.com, type in DNS records and Whois lookups, or look for OneScales and find the app. Click on try for free and register a free account. All you need to do now is go to the input tab and specify the domain you want to look up the Whois records and the DNS records. You can specify one or multiple. If you want to specify more than one, just click on add and add them one by one. You can also go to the bulk edit and type in row by row as many as you want. I've tested this for over 10,000 URLs and it does it very, very quickly. So you can do this in bulk in very, very quick results. So let's say I clicked on set. I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on save and start. And within a few seconds, I will receive the results. Now you can see the succeeded message. You can scroll down to the bottom and see the results in the UI right here. You can see one domain per row and all of the information that was found. The A records, the MX records, CNAME, text, and every other information. If you scroll all the way to the right, you'll be able to see the registrar or the domain Whois information. For example, who registered, or which company registered, and the information about the company. In addition, you can also go and export it to your favorite format. You can go to JSON, CSV, XML, Excel, and many others. You can click on export and open it in your favorite tool. Lastly, in addition to the UI, you can also use APIs to integrate with your software very easily and with your AI via the MCP configurator. If you have any questions or suggestions or you need anything, let us know. The link will be in the video description. Try it out for free. Much, much appreciated.